Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and I know it's been a minute, but your girl is back. And today we are going to go ahead and check out them 2's bike night in Raleigh. So let's ride. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and today we are going to them 2's bike night. So I'm about to meet up with them at Cycle Gear, and after that we're gonna go head over to Frankie's Fun Park, which is like an arcade, has like little outdoor activities and stuff like that in Raleigh. So I'm super excited to meet up with new people. I've been in this group chat talking to people in Raleigh, so I'm super excited to meet them. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share my stuff. I greatly appreciate all of you. We're about to go ahead and get into this fit check, which I'm super excited about because your girl has been plotting and your girl has been working on some designs so I can come out with some merch, and this is one of the designs here. Let's ride Shay on 2's, and there's another design, however I'll be posting that another time. But yeah, fit check right here. My shirt, got the jeans, and of course the Harley boots. All right, so that's it, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into it. Enjoy the ride. Let's go.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So your girl kind of showed up a little early, and I decided to go inside Cycle Gear and kind of show y'all what Cycle Gear have. Literally everything, anything you can think of. They literally have a whole wall full of helmets, y'all. They have anything dealing with motorcycles, motorsports, like ATVs, dirt bikes, literally everything. This is where I shop to get my heated gear as well as my wet weather gear. So while I was browsing the store, everybody started pulling up. So let's check out these bikes, y'all.
Let you know where we're going. So tonight, where we're going is Frankie's Fun Park in Briar Creek. Man, right here in the black. It's Frankie fun part. You get there how you get there for the most part. Just be safe. If you're gonna ride with the pack, I ask that you do not do wheelies on the highway unless you're over by yourself. In the back, on the side. Don't let your fuck up become my fuck up. All I am. I got my wife with me. I'll be pissed. All right? Protect the next person beside you. You know what I'm saying? Hand signals. You got to stop. We got to keep going. We got left. We got right. Po-po. All right? Slow down. If you are in the front, in the middle, please, somebody get a hand signal so somebody in the back can see. We can't all see the brake light. All right? We try to ride in the stagger formation, but like I said, you get there how you get there. Whether fast or slow, just be safe. Okay? I love y'all. Y'all like my brothers and sisters. Them 2's been a blessing to us. Let's keep making a blessing. Los, prayer please.
All right, so we about to get this baby going. We about to go to Frankie's Fun Park in Raleigh. So let's do it. Let's ride. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. So we are out. I'm about to go ahead and head home. It was a good night. It was a fun night meeting new people. Excited to do a lot more in Raleigh like this. So if you're ever in the Raleigh area, definitely come check out them 2's on Wednesdays. Every Wednesday they have something. But yeah, y'all, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, let's ride.